Who doesn't like a little bit of sushi? Tonight, we're headed all the way to Japan. Crumb Boss!
Don Marigato! Crumb Boss here. Hey everybody, tonight we are honoring Japan. We have met so many people on YouTube in the last, 40 days? How long have we been on there? And everybody's just been, has it been 43?
I don't know.
Everybody's just been really great. So we have some fans in Japan, we have found out, and we've been corresponding, and they asked us what we
What's his name? He's got a name, Mr. Japan. What is it?
Chulankuro.
Chulankuro.
That's his YouTube screen name. So
Exactly.
you guys check him out. He's got a YouTube page too. And so we are doing tonight's episode in honor of Japan. And I'm excited about it because I'm going to replicate my favorite food of all time is sushi. It's all going to be pastries.
Wow.
We're going to start right away.
Okay. So you're going to put your little gloves on, right?
Yeah. All right. I've already, of course, the demos that we do here can't be 15, 20 minutes long. So I always go ahead and make some things ahead of time, which I did today.
And what did you make?
Yeah, today I made, hold on, I can't get my glove on.
She can't get her glove on. Up, biscuit hands.
Yes. Today I made my sushi rolls that I've already halfway completed some. Don't look at this one yet.
Okay.
It's completed. So I've already completed, got a little bit of the prep done on some of them. I wasn't really sure how I was going to go about doing this because I haven't really ever done this before. So I just came up with some ideas. Now this is called frangipane, which is an almond cake, which is the same cake that we use to make our petit fours. It starts like this.
Okay.
All right, and so it's a
And
layered.
petit fours are French.
Petit fours are French,
but sushi is Japanese.
Sushi's Japanese. So I'm mixing cultures here.
There you go.
So we'll get into petit fours in a different episode. I know a lot of people are asking, but for tonight, what we're gonna do is show. So anyway, my idea was to do the sashimi, which is, you don't eat sushi, do you?
No. I know. I tried it one day and it was highly active. Yeah.
Well, like a lot of things with you.
Yeah.
All right, but
no, it was really active, Crumb Boss.
Typically, real sushi is made with sticky rice, and then, like they make little rice cake balls, and then they layer the salmon or tuna or whatever on top.
Yeah.
So I wasn't really sure that I could do that, so I figured let me make it out of what I know how to do.
Exactly.
And that's pastry stuff.
Cool.
However, I did attempt. I bought some sticky rice.
Oh boy.
And I cooked it with cinnamon and sugar and vanilla beans.
Look at that.
And I actually made my own rice cake for sushi, for sashimi.
For sashimi?
Yeah.
Is sashimi a person?
No. Well, I don't really know the names of it that much. I think I'm saying the right thing, but like I just say,
it's okay.
Give me that and give me that, and it's good.
And it tastes right. Okay.
So, actually, I'm going to show you what I started with last night. It's almost like cooking rice pudding.
What time were you making this last night?
I was up forever last night.
Oh, okay.
So I was cooking it with the cinnamon, sugar, vanilla beans, just like you would cook a rice pudding. And I'm sure a lot of you have probably made rice pudding. However, I cut back on a lot of the liquid because rice pudding's creamy and drippy and liquidy.
Yeah, I love rice pudding.
In order to make these cakes, I cut back on a lot of the liquid, and look at how I'm able to just grab it.
Nice.
And form it just like they would form the cake, right? So
sashimi.
To here, the rice part for the sushi.
So we're putting it in our sushi tray.
Yeah, right. Just
look
like
at that. Oh, that's so pretty.
I know it's really good. Like it doesn't just look good; it really does taste good.
Oh, you tasted it?
Yeah.
There you go. Maybe this is the kind of sushi that I'll actually be able to eat.
I bet you that you would like.
Because the other kind of sushi is interesting.
Okay, so what you can order when you order sushi out to dinner is a sushi roll.
Okay.
And I know that I'm not really doing the names really that great. But this is a sushi roll, and it would be wrapped in nori, which is seaweed. And so that's
what I tried.
No, I don't know that that's what you tried. Because nori's very, it has a very, just a moderate flavor. It's not really anything one way or the other. It's kind of plain tasting. So, anyway,
what's in there? It's called the nori?
That's the seaweed wrap.
Oh, seaweed wrap.
I did was I took some modeling chocolate and I rolled it out into strips.
Okay.
So that when I can take my little cake here.
Oh, cool.
And I rolled it up and it broke.
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. We always have bloopers on Crumb Boss.
No, we don't.
No, then
This is
again,
our first
everything's
one.
perfect. Yeah, okay, we had a blooper.
But anyway, because I made these ahead of time. Well, no, that's the thing, because I made these ahead of time, and we're not going to like try and cover up anything.
No.
People are like, why did the fondant break, right? Because I made it ahead of time. When you roll out fondant, you have to work with it right away.
Okay.
So that's why it broke for me now. But we still do have a really cool piece right here.
Oh, that's nice.
That I did earlier.
Okay.
The fondant was still wet.
So we got the rice here.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And there's something black on it. What's that?
Oh, that's the caviar that you would get on top of the sushi.
No, fabulous.
Yeah.
Is it real?
It's everything.
Is it real caviar?
Everything here is made out of
I thought only rich people eat caviar.
Not anymore. Everybody's eating it.
Because everybody's rich. That's great.
So I'm going to show you how I made my caviar.
Okay.
I make everything out of fondant.
Okay.
This is the most wonderful company, so I mean, really, it's
exactly.
The truth. It really is. I've had different companies before. What we talked about today, actually, one of my employees, is how they're selling fondant in the supermarkets now.
Yeah.
Like, this stuff is getting so popular.
Because people love fondant.
I guess.
Because you can mold it and shape it, right?
That's right. Yeah, it's really cool. It's like Play-Doh.
It's fabulous fondant, and you can eat it too.
Right, so here's what I did. You see this? What I have here is a garlic press.
Oh, cool. Where'd you get that?
I don't know. I've had it for a really long time. It's in my bag.
I don't even own a can opener.
It's in my bag of tricks.
It's in your bag of tricks.
With my stick and my ruler.
Exactly. I don't even own a can opener, and you own a garlic press.
You press it out just a little bit.
Okay.
And then you cut them off, so it makes it look like
caviar.
Yeah.
Look at that. Caviar fish eggs, right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's because everybody's eating it because of the fish oil. Gretchen, that's really cool.
Isn't that cool?
So
Okay.
this is like this is sushi. You
Right
know?
here, and then right here, what I have, I'm going to show you what I use to represent salmon or tuna.
This is awesome.
Real.
Yeah.
This is a papaya fruit.
Oh, okay.
Aren't they cool? I love papaya fruit. I think they're
Look how pretty they are.
Oh my god, they're the most beautiful fruits
What's
ever.
in the middle of it?
That's just the seeds. So you wouldn't eat the seeds. You would scrape that out.
It looks like eggs.
I know, and too bad that you can't eat them, because I would love to use that to represent the eggs, but you can't. You don't eat the seeds. It's
No. Okay, yeah.
So you would just scrape that out.
Maybe that was what was in my original sushi.
And then I cut little strips.
Okay.
So that it would look like salmon, the way that they would put the salmon over the top.
Oh, this is so cool.
Okay.
That is nice. Look at that. And you can order something like this at Woodland Bakery, but you got to place a specific order with the Crumb Boss in order to get something like this.
Oh, this one's falling off.
This is, I'll tell you, a lot of people might, they might start calling on this one Crumb Boss.
I know. Check this out.
What's that?
This is my wasabi.
Wasabi.
Also made out of modeling chocolate.
Modeling chocolate, okay, or fondant.
And then I made some of my pickled ginger.
Pickled ginger.
Okay.
What does it taste like, a pickle?
No, it's actually made out of fondant. Everything here is pastry, so it's like
Oh,
edible,
yeah, that's right. Okay. What does it taste like, a pickle? Why would it taste like a pickle? You're in a bakery.
That's right.
You're in a bakery.
It doesn't taste like a pickle.
You're in the Crumb Boss factory.
Last
Okay.
thing,
Yes.
you would always eat sushi with soy sauce. Well,
Okay.
not always, but they serve it
Yes.
that way.
Correct.
So I said to myself today, how am I going to make sushi soy sauce that's like tastes like pastry? That's going to go with my cinnamon sugar, rice mixture with my papaya salmon.
Yeah.
So I made a watered down chocolate sauce.
Oh, cool! This is so cool.
And that's my soy sauce.
you are, and look at it. It looks like soy sauce.
I know, and it all tastes really good. It's not just like it looks cool and it looks like sushi. This actually is going to be good.
Okay.
Only I don't know how to use these.
Well, nobody knows how to use chopsticks. People pretend they do.
The thing about me with chopstick is that I'm too hungry and I just want to eat. And
Exactly.
everyone tries to teach me when I want to eat my dinner.
Exactly.
And
yeah.
so,
and they're like, why should I be taught to eat my dinner? Just let me put it in my mouth.
Fork. Sorry, just give me a fork.
Just give me my hand. So some people tell you I eat like a Viking, but it's okay. Go ahead.
So there we have it. This is my homage to Japan today.
Homage to Japan.